SpaceX just reported its first quarter of earnings as a public company, and it showed the state of X's advertising business, which has shrunk dramatically since Elon Musk's takeover in 2022. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. SpaceX made $367 million in advertising revenue between April and June of this year. That's up a bit from the $343 million the previous quarter, but down from the $426 million in revenue during the same period last year. The numbers highlight just how much the company's ad business has changed since Elon Musk took over in 2022. During the second quarter of 2022, the last time Twitter reported financial results as a public company, it had $1.08 billion in revenue from advertising. Of course, X's business has changed dramatically since Musk's takeover. The company now aggressively pushes premium subscriptions, including a Premium Plus tier that eliminates ads on the platform. SpaceX didn't reveal the revenue from X subscriptions or how many daily active users it has. Musk also cut thousands of employees early in his tenure and sued advertisers who pulled back from the platform. More recently, X has claimed that many of its largest advertisers have returned. In January, the company's ads boss told Digiday that 97 of the top 100 advertisers have returned, and in some cases, spending even more than they did before Musk's arrival. Even if that is true, advertising is now a very small piece of SpaceX's sprawling business. The company made $2.2 billion in revenue from its AI division, primarily from its deal with Anthropic, $4.3 billion from Starlink, and $962 million from its space division. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.